Hi, we're Team Boots, and we're making an interactive floorboard. A simple way to think about our project is to imagine a large DDR board on which kids can play many different kinds of games. We wanted to find a way to make kids more active, and we thought that an interactive board on which kids are the puzzle pieces would be a great way to get them on their feet. In terms of the design, we first needed to find a way to project a board onto the floor. Our first attempt using a low-cost mirror sheet to reflect the image did not work well. We modified this design and in a second iteration mounted two projectors on tripods and took the intersections of their projections. The second component of our project involved designing a player tracking system. We initially used Reactivision and located people based on their head positions. But given that this game focuses on foot movement, tracking the heads didn't seem very intuitive. Thus, in a further redesign, we set up webcams on the floor to track a Reactivision foot cuff. However, in further testings of Reactivision, we found that the tracking was too imprecise, and we are now prototyping ways to use the Wii Remote and IR to identify player locations. The great thing about an interactive floorboard is that it can serve as a platform to build many different kinds of games. Our simplest game is a square tile that always runs away from the child. Every time you get close to the square, it moves to another square. Other games that we've designed include Whack-a-Number, similar to Whack-a-Mole, where kids run to only the even numbers. We also built a puzzle path game, where stepping on different colors leads to different behaviors, and kids have to figure out the right patterns to find a way to traverse the grid from one end to the other. For our next steps, Boots is excited to design a better tracking system and more games for learning.